Hello everyone. Today we will make a chicken vegetable wrap. Here is our ingredients. The wrap is peanuts wrap. Chicken. I just put that guys in grocery store. Onions, cheese, tomatoes, lettuce and olives, cucumber, spinach, celery, and bell pepper. And some of the dressing. Caesar, ranch, and Thousand Islands. It's up to you guys what kind of dressing you want to use. Now we'll start doing the wrapping. I'll just put all the vegetables. It's up to you guys what kind of vegetable you want to put actually. What is your favorite vegetables? And the same with the dressing. Now we will wrap it. There are different kind of style how to wrap it, guys. But this is what we usually do. And this is it, guys. And you need to hold that and you eat. Now we'll make another one. We'll make it two. In this tortilla wrapper, guys, some are just plain. This is a spinach. Some have cheese flavor. Yeah, first of all, guys, you need to put the sauce for flavor and followed by vegetables. As I said, any kind of vegetables, whatever you want. And same with the sauce, any kind of sauce, whatever you want, whatever your preference. Then put chicken and the cheese, tomatoes, Oh, we'll put the sauce first. Oh, the wrapper is kind of brick. Oh, there's another style of wrapping, guys. Yeah, this another style. That looks good. Hey, now it's time to eat. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.